You ever wonder why a person might have bad mazal? I don't know, but the Ben Ish Chai brings down to us that if you do this, it can affect your mazal, and if you do it a little different, it'll get a better mazal. Let's take a look. It's found in the Ben Ish Chai, Parashat Noach Shana Rishona, Tet Zayin. Don't leave your talit unfolded at night. If you forgot and you didn't do it, and the night passed, when you wear it the next day, in order to remove the kitzonim, you shake it off. But here's what he's coming to say. That every day you should fold your own talit with your own hand. Take it off with your left hand and fold the talit yourself. Don't give it to the shamash kapelo. Mazal. It affects your mazal negatively when you allow someone else to fold your talit. So what do? And when you take off your talit, fold it yourself quickly and put it right back. Don't give it to someone else to do it. Baruch Adonai Le'olam. Amen ve'amen.